Welcome to Datalynx's YouTube channel. In this video, we will generate a ETL comparison report between two profiling jobs. In order to demonstrate this, we need two registered templates. Let's quickly create them. You can watch the lesson 4 if you wish to learn more about templates. Click the New to begin the template registration. Here, we will do a multiple tables registration of the AdventureWorks database. Hence, let's name this template as AdventureWorks 2019 DMS Training Database only. Choose SQL Server as the source type, followed by the username, password, and the database server. Once it's done, you can choose the database name, which is the AdventureWorks 2019. Test the connection, and enable the register database only. Once it's done, click OK to register the template. List the tables you wish to register in a notepad. Here, we will be looking at the 6 tables only. We have chosen person, address, product, product category, purchase order header, and purchase order detail. Once it's done, save it to the desired location. Once the text file is saved, go back to the Data Explorer, and right-click on the tables. Select Register Multiple Tables. Click OK to continue. Select the text file with the list of 6 tables, and open it. Data Explorer will register the tables in few seconds. We have successfully registered tables for the first template. Now, we will move on, and create a second template. You can either disconnect, or open a new instance of Data Explorer to create a new template. For the second template, we will have a delimited source type. There are 6 CSV source files extracted from the 6 AdventureWorks database tables that we registered in the first template. The motive of this video is to check if the extraction was done correctly. We have copied the extracted files in a folder, along with schema INI configuration. You can learn to do this in the lesson 5. Now let's copy the file path, and add it to the folder System, in Data Explorer. Go to System. Select File Folders from the Setup toolbar. Click New, select the processing server, and enter the folder name, description, and paste the file path. Learn more about file folders, and delimited source type registration, in Lesson 5. Now let's move on to register a template for the extracted CSV files. Enter the name of the template. Choose Delimited as the source type. Select the source folder you just created. And since the files have the header, we will say yes. You can test the connection, and click OK to complete the registration. After creating these two templates, we need to apply the profiling functions. In this video, we will apply the built-in table record count function. Let's begin by connecting to the AdventureWorks SQL Server database. We can manually apply the required data quality checks. However, in this video, we will auto-profile. To do this, go to Functions on the Data Profiling toolbar. You will find a list of built-in functions. You can create your profiling functions as well. Please watch the lesson 17 to learn about profiling. In this video, we will apply table record count function. You can add one or more, built-in or custom functions, depending on the comparison analysis. Right-click on the respective function, click the Apply to Tables option. In this video, we will select all 6 tables. Once it's done, you can see that the profiling function has been added to all the tables. Now it's time to run a profiling job. Click Submit Job icon from the Data Profiling toolbar menu. Enter the job title. Once it's done, move all the tables to the right. Click on the Submit button. To see the progress, go to the Profiling Jobs. We can see that the job has completed. You can view the job with a double click, or the View button on the right. Now let's connect to the delimited source type template. This has the 6 extracted files. We can auto-profile them by clicking the functions from the data profiling toolbar menu. We will apply the same profiling function. Right-click Table Record Count function, select Apply to Tables option. Move all the 6 tables to the right, and click OK. This should assign the tables with Table Record Count function. However, we will make slight changes to it. Click the Data Profiling icon to view the function. In this example, the address table has a preset correlation table, which is by default the table name. However, to perform a comparison analysis, the correlation table needs to point to the SQL Server table names. In this context it is person, which is the schema, .address. Hence, we need to replace the underscore with dot and remove the .csv. You can edit it by clicking right and selecting the Edit Correlation option. This manual approach is easy to edit for a single or few tables. However, we can automate it and apply the changes at once. Right-click on Tables and select the Set Profiling Functions Table Correlation option. Here, you can first replace the underscore with dot, likewise you can follow the same steps and remove the CSV extension. Consequently, these changes will be applied to all the tables. The correlation will be set to match the table that we will be comparing with. Once it's done, we can submit the profiling job by clicking the Submit Job icon on Data Profiling toolbar. Likewise, enter the job title, and push all the 6 tables to right. Click on the Submit Job button to submit the job. You can monitor the progress by going to the Profiling Jobs. Once the job is completed, we will proceed to compare between the extracted table's record count and the database table's record count. View the table record count job that was executed on the extracted files. Click the Comparison Excel button on the right. No changes are required, click OK to continue. Select the ETL Job Comparison Report option to generate the respective report. Find a location to save your report. Click the Save button to proceed. Now, choose the job you wish to compare with and click the OK button. Data Explorer will execute the comparison job and will display a message once it's done. Once you click the Close, an Excel file will be seen on your taskbar. Open it to view the comparison report. The Comparison by Job tab opens by default. You can see the total source and destination record count. The green tick resembles that the source matches the destination. For a detailed view, select the Comparison by Table tab. Here you can see the results table by table. In this report, we can see that the source count matches the destination count. This means that your extraction was successful. We hope this session was helpful. Thank you for watching.